Hello everybody, welcome to CA Talk Show. This is your host and host Ashu Chokhani, and today's topic is use of Latin words in our day-to-day English or even legal submissions. I assure you by the end of this video, you will learn at least 10 Latin words and you will be able to use them in your practical life. So first thing is, what is Latin language? So Latin language is not much spoken in this world right now. It used to be spoken in earlier times in regions like Europe. So what are the words in Latin which we use in our day-to-day life and we are not even aware? Examples are etc, etc. Example are ceteris paribus. Example is vice versa. More examples, carpe diem. So all these are Latin words which we use in our day-to-day life, and we are not even aware of these things. We think it forms part of our day-to-day English. So why are Latin words used in our English language and legal submissions? English language, as you know, in our country is borrowed from the language of US and UK. So in those languages, Latin words are there. So it is very understandable that it forms part of our language as well. If we talk about legal submissions, the law of our country is based on the laws of Europe in the English law. So there also these words are prevalent and we use it in our day-to-day life. So let's start the words one by one, and I assure you again that by the end of this video, you will learn at least 10 Latin words and will be able to use them in your life. So first word we'll come across is carpe diem. Carpe diem means seize the day. Example, if you use it in a sentence, when you wake up every morning, have a carpe diem feeling in you. So have a winning feeling in you that you want to achieve something. The second word which we want to discuss is verbatim. Verbatim means as it is, means quote and unquote, the same words. When we use it in a sentence, it is like the text of the speech is verbatim of what was said in the quote. So I hope you got the meaning of this. The third which we want to discuss is status quo. Status quo means current situation. If we use it in a sentence, the status quo of the Indian economy is not very good. If we come to the fourth word is vice versa. With this, we use it in our day-to-day life as well. If we go in sequence order, let's discuss it in a sentence. You can go A to Z or you can go vice versa. Fifth word which we want to discuss is per se. Per se means in itself. This is not an important fact per se. Yes, it means that it is important, but not so much important that it can be completely relied upon. Sixth word, ad hoc. This also we come across this word in our day-to-day life. It means temporary nature. There are many ad hoc teachers or committees in our college. Seventh word, I.E. It means edest. And when we use it in our English language, it means that is. Out of 10 students in class, one of them, that is Rakesh, was absent. Eighth word, alibi. It means a defense or an excuse. If we use it in a sentence, the alibi he gave does not sound much convincing. The ninth word, bona fide. Bona fide means in a good manner. The SRCC disclosed all the facts to the assessing officer in a bona fide manner. 10th word, prima facie. Prima facie means in the first instance. Prima facie, after the murder, the prima facie evidences show that he is the culprit. So 10 words I have made you revise just now. Let me discuss it again just for your reference. First, carpe diem, seize the day. Second, verbatim, exactly as it is. Third, status quo, current situation. Fourth, vice versa, the other way around. Fifth, per se, which means in itself. Sixth, ad hoc means temporary nature. Seventh, I.E. that means that is. Eighth, alibi, which means a defense or an excuse. Ninth, bona fide manner, which means good faith. 10th, prima facie means in the first instance. There are lots of more words like without prejudice, curriculum vitae. All these are Latin words. You will get a lot of list of words you can just Google it. So what is importance of these words? When you use them in your day-to-day English life or even in your legal submissions, they add value. People will understand that you have a very good command over your language. When you use them in your essays or in your articles, people generally prefer such words. And when we come to the legal submissions, they are a mandatory. You cannot even ignore such words. You read any legal document, you will definitely come across such words. So these words are very important to use and you must be aware of them. I hope this video was very useful for you. I hope you learned something new. So please click the bell icon and subscribe to the channel so that we will come across more such videos. Thank you guys.